If you're still struggling to do your Brazilians in under 15 minutes, you're missing out on money and potential clients. Today I will be showing you guys a technique that will help you to really get your time down when it comes to your Brazilians. For me, Brazilian waxes shouldn't feel rushed, but they also shouldn't be taking you over 20 minutes to do. It's not the most comfortable service, but it can be if you are utilizing your time and getting your client in and out. So when finding the proper technique, you want to kind of work in sections. I like to always start with the bikini line. So I will then lay a strip and then I will proceed to the other side and lay that strip as well. While this strip right here that I'm applying dries, I go ahead and pull up on the other strip that I laid to the other side. You always want to pull parallel to the skin, not straight up, or you will damage the skin. Once you completely pull those two strips off, I already laid the top strip, so just completely ignore that. But you do want to go to the top strip and lay those strips up there, and then you can move on to the labias. When I am doing the labias, I lay one labia at a time, and then I will go to my other bikini side and I will lay my cleanup strip for the bikini line. Then I will lay my other labia and do the same exact thing to the other side. Your Brazilian should not be over 15 minutes, you guys. I offer trainings if you still need help as an esthetician.
I'm going to be doing a demo of the Brazilian wax. This is how we do it here at Purple Waxing. We first do the inner thighs on both sides. We do the bikini line first and we go downward following the hair growth. Next, we're gonna start at the pubic mound. Following the hair growth again, we're going inward, and then I like to lay the strip going a little bit above the starting point of the hair growth. That way we have some room to pull the hair. I also do one going down on the labia. Now we're gonna go in and do the opposite side. Now we go back for the pubic mound and we go all the way across to the other side to do cleanups for the hairs that were missed on that side. And then while we wait for this one to dry, we will do the bikini line on the other side as well. Now we do a cleanup strip for the labia going upwards. Make sure we get the center part, the inner corners, and then finally we're gonna do the pubic mound again, and then we take off any remaining wax and we're done.